Welcome to my channel. Today we've got a delicious chicken pasta with vodka sauce because this is so delicious, and we're gonna get right into the ingredients. But before that, I am Benji Travis. Make sure you subscribe, comment below how often you eat this dish, and hit like if you do like vodka sauce, as well as follow me on Instagram. It's BenjiManTV. We'll put all the social links down below. Let's get right into the ingredients. All right, first things first, we've got our marinara sauce. We've got about 2 cups here. I actually took whole tomatoes, boiled it down with some garlic, and actually made my own, but you can use any marinara sauce. Also, 2 cans of tomato paste would work. As you can see, I did put some garlic in this. Onions, which I've diced up nice and small. Already diced pancetta, which we'll be using. Chicken, because this is a chicken pasta dish. Also be adding some crushed red pepper to that. Cream, because of course vodka sauce is very creamy. Vodka. Now we're gonna be using half a cup of vodka, and I'm gonna be flambeing this, so it's gonna cook out all the alcohol. I am still using a little bit more tomato paste with my marinara sauce, olive oil that we'll be cooking with, Parmesan cheese to add additional flavor, and basil and butter to finish it off. And we can't forget the pasta. We're using a penne pasta because when you make vodka sauce, typically this is what you use. At this point, make sure you've got your water boiling right now because you want that to be ready. If you've already got marinara sauce going, that's all good. If you haven't, start cooking that up right away so it's ready to go when you start making your actual sauce for the vodka sauce. All right, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and heat some oil up on about a low-medium heat. Then we're gonna render down our pancetta with the onions until it's nice and golden brown. All right, so that is rendered down, it's nice and golden brown. Time to add your chicken and your crushed red pepper. At this point, you're gonna wanna cook that chicken until it's just about done. Time for some vodka. I would recommend removing your actual pan from the heat, pour in your vodka, light it up, and make sure all the flames go away. Now this is gonna take about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the flames have totally disappeared and your vodka's reduced to about a quarter, you're gonna go ahead and add your tomato marinara sauce as well as some tomato paste for some extra flavor. Now at this point, you're gonna wanna make sure your pasta is going into the boiling water and you're ready with that pasta once you're done with your sauce. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes now, and we're gonna add our cream to our tomato sauce. And you know, this is the part that makes it so decadent. Go ahead and stir this for about another 2 to 3 minutes, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna make sure that cream is incorporated into your vodka sauce really well. Make sure you taste it and see how much more salt you need. This is your opportunity to know how much salt you want to add as well as how much Parmesan you want to put in there. Then stir that around with the cheese and butter and you're good to go. Make sure to reserve some pasta water if you haven't. Before you transfer your pasta, make sure you sprinkle in a little bit of that basil leaf into your sauce. Take your pasta, drain it, and put it right into your sauce, and this is the last part, which is just stirring that deliciousness. Add a little bit of that pasta starchy water into your pan if it's a little bit dry. That starchy water is so important because that's what's gonna bind all of your flavors together to your pasta. Ooh, so creamy, so delicious. The flavors are on point. You can taste a little bit of that vodka, but the cheesiness from the Parmesan, and of course the chicken and the pancetta. Oh, that looks so good. I totally have to taste it. But before I do, I'm gonna add a little bit more Parmesan on there, a little bit of basil, and it's good to go. Get a little bite of that, a little bit of that cheese. I'm telling you, anybody that loves pasta, creamy sauce, and chicken is gonna love this. Definitely try this for your family. It's so delicious. Hit like if you love this recipe, and let me know in the comments area if you've tried this or when you're gonna cook it yourself. If you guys wanna see all my pasta recipes, go ahead and click or tap the screen right here. If you wanna see my vlogs where I actually cook for my family, tap or click the screen right here. You guys subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I can't wait to the next recipe. Talk to you guys later.